As contractors look for reliable, innovative solutions that lead to greater productivity, Laticrete NXT Level Plus is specified by name. This premium self-leveling underlayment has a high flow rate and is fiber reinforced, adding flexural strength. Its unique chemistry allows you to use it over the most challenging substrates. With a high compressive strength of over 5,000 psi and fast drying time, you'll be confident going after any application. As always, refer to the product data sheet for specific mixing, application, and other performance attributes. And please remember, you're only as good as the tools you use, so be ready to install any Laticrete self-leveling underlayment or overlayment with this premium toolkit. Start by adding the required water into the bucket. Open the bag and pour slowly while using a drill with a minimum RPM of 650. An oval-style mixing blade is recommended, and keeping it in the mix is important to prevent the introduction of air. Always stop in the middle of the mix to scrape down any leftover dry product, as this will make for a uniform mix. Mix for a full 3 minutes before applying. NXT Level Plus can be used over many substrates, including plywood and OSB. No lath is required. Just roll on NXT Primer or our Prime and Bond and look at that flow. Great, easy-to-use flow capabilities. Minimum application thickness over concrete is 1/8 of an inch, while wood substrates require 1/4 of an inch. Once on the floor, NXT Level Plus can be applied at the designated thickness using a gauge rake. This makes for a carefree application. Following that, break the surface tension to get an extremely flat surface. This can be done using a smoother or a spiked roller. Allow the smoother blade to glide on the surface. No pressure is needed. And make sure to overlap passes. This will ensure a successful project. NXT Level Plus can be walked on 2 to 3 hours after it's been applied, opening the floor up to other trades quickly. NXT Level Plus, the problem solver. Learn more about our products at Laticrete.com and by viewing our comprehensive Laticrete University video tutorials.